Hi guys, Amy Hunt, home business expert, for watching. Now there's one of two reasons why you found me. Number one is you're a subscriber. Number two, you did a search and you found me because you're looking for ways to make money online. I'm just going to be straight up with you and why I'm making this video. So see you on the other side. So the reason I'm making this video is because I started another stream of income. So for many of us, our goal is not necessarily drop shipping or a particular way to make money, but just to make money online. And what I have, and I just want to be straight up, I can't come out and tell you the brand name because of the restrictions. But if you have interest in making extra money, this is something that I've set up. I'm offering a free session. I normally charge about $60 an hour, 45-minute session, as you can see there. But essentially, demo is only about 15 or not. Please only do this if you are totally making extra income. I'm going to give you as much information as I can as to what it is without saying what it is. But what it is basically a website that competes with Amazon in terms of products. It competes in terms of price, quality, actually better quality in my opinion, and customer service is fantastic. Through this pandemic, they didn't run out of supplies. It is actually a wholesale company within the United States. It is around the world, however. So this wholesale company, for me personally, I'm using it because I want to shop there. I told my husband, why wouldn't I use this website? Because I'm buying things anyway on Amazon. Amazon gives me absolutely a chance to make any money when I buy their product. Okay, there's no referral. So basically what this website is, you buy products that you would need anyway. You are going to buy the products that the store has, and it gives you the chance to make referring people to the store. So it is a website, and you buy those products that you need monthly, whatever it is, shampoo, toothpaste, there's food, there's healthy stuff, vitamins, minerals, proteins, snacks, all kinds of stuff like that, cleaning supplies. And you let's just say you spend $50 to $100 on those types of things a month. They're actually going to give you credits for that, and then those credits go into you being able to get free products as well. Not only that, as far as your drop shipping is concerned, there's also over 1,000 stores that they give you a percentage back towards free product. So to me, after I told my husband, he's like, well, that's a no-brainer. Yeah, I know. So minimally, even if you don't want to make money with this company, it's like a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you be a customer for this company? If that's your interest as well, I can set you up with an account. You can only become someone who purchases a member from a referral from somebody who's already doing it. So if this interests you, sign up for my 15-minute session. I'll show you what it's all about. You can say no, and I say fine. See ya. Have a good day. There's no pressure for me. I'm just trying to open up opportunities for other people, whether you want to get a better product and have the potential to earn money from the products you're purchasing every month anyway, or make some money. I have something on one of the stores. It's called the Marketplace on one of the stores, and I get credit back and I'll get free product that I would have had to spend on Amazon. So I'm actually getting free product back into my account. So honestly, it's like everything combined. It's drop shipping, it's affiliate marketing, it's getting cash back, has a credit card that you get up to 6% back. Restaurants right now, gas stations and grocery stores are 2% back on your credit card, which that's a lot for a credit card. So if it interests you, there's no commitment. 15 minutes, I'll show it to you. Check out the session. Now I'm traveling a little bit here, but check it out in the link below. I'll put a Facebook appointment connection link. Put in what works for you. I will either approve it or say, hey, can we do another time? And I'll just show it to you. So thanks for watching, guys. Home Business Expert.